Don't watch Jush's very boring video diary is back with another boring video about taking apart these hard drives. Well, they are broken NAS drives because I've got like NAS drives here, see? Got to back up all my footage. Or as some people say incorrectly, footages. And my photography. I should actually clear off everything, all the raws, but that takes time. Anyway, these drives fail a lot, so I'm going to take them apart and salvage some good stuff for them, from them. So I've got my tools. You need special Torx and security drives. That's some more stuff. It's kind of fun to pull things apart. Alright, enjoy. Well, that's it. I couldn't open this one. It's like it's welded shut. This foil is really hard. The other one, yeah, some pieces in here. But I got what I wanted, which is this is a very strong magnet. Now, if you ever open a hard drive, you have to be careful you don't jam your fingers, like because if you put this magnet with another magnet, they're gonna like very quickly snap and attract to each other, and you could actually hurt yourself. So keep that in mind. There's two magnets actually from the 6GB one. This one as well. They're very strong. And I got these little keyring things which are useful. And I actually use them. I'll show you. Well, I got 4 of them, but they're good for hanging stuff, especially if you've got cables and stuff. I have one here in the kitchen. So here, you can use that, put it on a string, carabiner, and then there's my keyring thing. Let's see where else I've used them. Oh, here's one I made. See, I can put it on the hook. Although I've kind of got a bit of a mess here, but I can kind of hook it there and then tie something else to it. So yeah, that's it. I couldn't open the other one. And it's really sad that these hard drives keep dying and out of warranty too. Otherwise, I would have sent them back to get them fixed. Oh, I changed the color when I did that. I'd get them sent back and get them fixed, but they just died like literally a month after the warranty, so I got screwed. 6 terabyte hard drive and a 10 terabyte hard drive just gone. Had to go spend another few thousand Hong Kong dollars to get a replacement. Well, Well, that's why I don't use Western Digital anymore. They're crap. Using Seagate again, but I don't know. Maybe they break as well. So anyway, the warranty, it's like 3 years, but the new ones are 5. So it's a bit better, but it's still very annoying. Cost me money, making me poor. And that's it. Thanks for watching this very exciting episode of Don't Watch Juice's very boring video diary. And I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe or press, go on, look at the other videos in this very boring YouTube channel. See ya.